my name is Prisha. Today we are learning the धडा 28 प्रश्न. ऐकावं म्हणा. Guys, you can see this picture. What is this? Yes, it is a sparrow. We called in Marathi chimdi. Yes, what is this? More. Peacock. We called in Marathi it more. Yes, what is this? Bullock. We say in English and we call in Marathi guy. And this is bullock. This is cow. Bullock. Cow. Bail. This is cow. Cocker. We call in English cocker only, I think. Rabbit. Yes, we call in Marathi sasa. And this is one boy saying prashna means question mark. Now let us learn. ऐकावं म्हणा. पशु पक्ष्यानं असे जगण्याची ही कला माणसाला का जमत नाही प्रश्न पडतो मला.